Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale e-learning platforms with Teachable easy tutorial step by step clearly. In this tutorial, we will guide you through scaling your e-learning platform using Teachable. First, create a Teachable account if you haven't already. Once you log in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. To start building your course, click on the Courses tab. Select New Course to begin the setup process. Fill in the course title and description to attract potential learners. Next, upload your course content. Teachable allows you to integrate videos, quizzes, and PDFs easily. Organize your materials into modules for better navigation. Once your content is ready, set your pricing options. Choose between one-time payments, subscription models, or payment plans. Consider offering promotional discounts to entice initial customers. Next, configure your sales page. Utilize Teachable's design tools to customize the look and feel. Make sure to add engaging visuals and compelling copy. Integrate your payment gateway to ensure smooth transactions. Connect your PayPal or Stripe account for payment processing. Now, let's focus on marketing your course. Create an email marketing campaign to reach potential students. Consider using social media platforms to drive traffic. Utilize Teachable's affiliate marketing feature to expand your reach. Engage with your audience through webinars and live Q&A sessions. Monitor your analytics to track student engagement and sales performance. Adjust your strategies based on what the data reveals. Continuously update your course content to keep it relevant. Encourage feedback from your students for further improvements. With these steps, you are now equipped to scale your e-learning platform using Teachable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.